Stop paying for AI coding tools. Seriously, if you are using Cursor, Claude, Replit, or Devin, you could be spending thousands per year. But there is a new player in town, Freebuff. It is 100% free AI coding agent for your desktop, terminal, and web. No API keys, no subscription, no catch. It is completely free and powered by the best open source models. Want to know how it works and how to set it up? So just keep watching. So as you can see the comparison with other tools, Freebuff is 0 per year. Open Code, Codex, Cursor, Claude Code charge hundreds of dollars per year. And introducing Freebuff Desktop, you can also install the desktop app and the CLI tool. We will install the CLI tool. So let's come here, which models are available for us to use for free. So just come here down to the frequently asked question. What models do you use? So let me show you. Freebuff runs these models. Okay, just come here. DeepSeek version 4 Pro, Memo version 2.5 Pro, DeepSeek version 4 Flash, Memo 2.5, and Minimax M3. So these models are available for everyone. But the limited mode uses DeepSeek version 4 Flash and Memo version 2.5. Limited mode means I will just show you. Here is a question about what is limited mode. Okay, so limited mode lets you use Freebuff outside the full access countries or while using a VPN. It includes DeepSeek version 4 Flash and Memo version 2.5. So there are some countries which are restricted. So in those countries, you can use just these two models for free. DeepSeek version 4 Flash and Memo 2.5. And other countries have access to all these models like version 4 Pro, Memo 2.4 Pro, Flash and Memo 2 and Minimax M3. All these models are available for the rest of the countries. So now let's install it. So let's use this command. We would like to install the CLI tool. Okay, this is the command. Let's copy this and open PowerShell. And right click to paste that command, npm install -g. It means globally free buff. Press enter to install this. So change 7 package. I have already installed that, so that's why 7 package has been changed. Now let's run it. So to run it, for that we will simply write Freebuff. Yeah, so that has now it will download. Okay, the complete setup will download now. Let's wait. So it will download just in seconds. So the download completed. It says press enter to log in. So it will move directly to the terminal. Continue with your GitHub or with Google account. So I will continue with my Google account. Login successful. Let's continue back to the terminal. So this is the terminal. As you can see, I am in one of the restricted countries. So we have DeepSeek version 4 Flash and Memo 2 access. So let's, for example, I would like to use this one. So that's it. That has been selected. Now we can just use DeepSeek version 4 Flash fully free. So let's start chat with this like hello. Press enter. So hello, I'm Buffy, your AI coding assistant. Here is Freebuff. I am ready to help you with these things like build something, whatever you want. So you can just do that. So let's now change the model. Okay, so let's slide slash model end session. So let's select now. After ending the session, we will select Memo version 2.5. So that's it. Now we are using version Memo 2.5. So let's write hi. Which model is this? Press enter. Hi, I am running the Memo version 2.5 model. I am Buffy, the strategic coding assistant behind Freebuff, a tool where you can chat with me like whatever you want, explain my code base, implement a feature, learn about Freebuff. So it is all about this free CLI tool to use these top models like DeepSeek version 4 and Memo 2.5, Minimax M3, and totally for free. So it was all about today's video. If the video was helpful, please hit the like button. It will motivate me to make more videos like this. And leave a comment. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.